In today's video, I'm going to teach you Wix AI Tools Explained Complete 2026 Guide. We'll start by heading to wix.com, where you can sign in to your existing account or create a new one. Once you're in, click Create New Site and choose the option to build your website with AI. One helpful thing to know is that Wix's AI website builder can be started for free, so you can explore it without adding payment details right away. Next, you'll create your website with AI by describing your business or website idea. Be clear about the type of site you want, along with your preferred style, colors, pages, and features. For example, you might ask for a modern portfolio website with a clean, professional design, neutral colors, and key pages like home, about, services, portfolio, testimonials, and contact. Wix will generate an initial version of your site, and then you can review it, regenerate it, or make small adjustments until it feels right. After that, you can use Aria, which is Wix's AI agent, inside the Wix Harmony editor. Open the editor, click Ask Aria, and describe what you want to change. Aria can help with design, pages, content, settings, SEO, and apps. As always, review the suggestions carefully and apply only the changes that work for your site. Wix also makes it easy to generate website text. Select any text element, open AI Tools, and choose Generate New Text. From there, describe what you need and decide whether you want a title, paragraph, or tagline. Once the text is generated, take time to edit it so it matches your brand voice. You can also use AI to rewrite, shorten, expand, rephrase, translate, or adjust the tone of existing text. For visuals, open the image generation tool, describe the image you want, choose a style, and generate it. Review the results, regenerate if needed, and then add the image to your site. You can also create entire website sections with AI, like About Us, Services, Testimonials, or Features. Just open the editor, add a section, choose the AI section creator, describe what you need, and customize the generated result. Wix Harmony also includes an AI element generator for creating custom website elements such as buttons, animations, and widgets. For SEO, open your site's SEO settings, choose a page, generate AI suggestions, review the title tag and meta description, edit them for accuracy, and save. Keep in mind that AI-generated SEO tags may require a premium plan. If you run an online store, you can generate product descriptions directly from the product dashboard. Wix can also help with blog content, email marketing, image enhancement, background removal, upscaling, and broader marketing tasks. Before publishing, review everything carefully, including business information, contact details, prices, copy, images, links, SEO descriptions, mobile layout, and legal information. Finally, preview your site. Check both desktop and mobile versions, connect your domain if needed, publish your site, confirm it's live, and keep using Wix's AI tools to improve it over time.